Welcome to today's video where I will be showing you guys the process of me painting the trim in my living room. But first, here is a photo of what my living room originally looked like. I've already donated my furniture and removed all artwork from the wall so that we can get to working. So, right here, I am cutting this plastic floor protector that I got from Amazon. Pretty much I'm going to line the entire carpet to protect it. I'm not the best painter, but you know, girls got to do what you got to do. And this will just help my paint job stay neat, not stain the carpet, and just make things faster and more efficient for me as I'm painting. I do like the wood colored trim, and it is real wood. You know, they don't make trim like that no more. But I just really want everything to be cohesive and white just to give me a simple background. I just felt like the exposed wood was an eyesore to me. So I'm finally taking the weekend to get this project underway, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me. So here is my entertainment system, which I will eventually be getting rid of as well, but I'm just moving that over and away from the wall so that I can also line it with my plastic floor protector. And as you guys can see here, I got my painter's tape to secure the plastic so that it doesn't move as I'm painting, and just ensures an easy and flawless paint job. And then I'm using this scraper that's made out of plastic to just tuck in the tape into the wall and just make things easier. I think this was probably the most tedious part of the entire project. There was a lot of adrenaline pumping, so that's what kept me going. But I also knew if I didn't do this step, I would have painter's regret between having paint on the carpet, pretty much primarily on the carpet. It didn't really matter if paint got on the wall because I already matched the exact paint color with the wall from when I first moved into the condo. And I got the exact match. I saved it in my phone so that in the future when I wanted to paint like now, it would be easy and simple. So pretty much that's all I'm doing here. Going in and using my tape to secure my paint job to make life easier. So now that the living room is prepped, I'm about to start painting, and normally I just change into like some old clothes that I don't mind getting paint on, and I always put my hair up because in the past I've gotten paint in my hair and it has not been fun. But before I get painting, I like to use the time to either put on my favorite podcast or audiobook, and today I'm listening to Atomic Habits by James Clear. So let's get to painting. So now it's time to protect the hands. I'm using one of my favorite latex gloves that I always buy in bulk from Amazon. I've already poured my paint into my paint bucket, and it is time to go in. The only thing I did to prep the wood is wipe it down with a moist towel. I didn't do any sanding. This particular paint that I got from Home Depot, it didn't require you to do any prep to the surface that you're going to paint, so that is what I went with. I just was ready to go in, and all I can say is that this was so therapeutic. And as you guys can see, I'm so happy that I used the painter's tape just to guide me and but actually protect the paint from staining the carpet. But yeah, this was so much fun. I really enjoy painting, especially once the prep work is done really well. I just moved in small strokes, gently, and I only had to do 2 coats. So this is how I pretty much painted into the night, and it was really easy, really fun. It took me about an hour to do my whole living room, and then I let everything dry. So it's the next day, and I'll be using my Hoover Professional Solution and vacuum cleaner to shampoo my rug and carpet. As you guys can see, I have some stains on the carpet that I want to deep clean, and also my rug needs to be deep cleaned. I totally forgot to get footage of me ripping off the painter's tape and plastic from the trim, but as you guys can see from behind me, that the trim is painted, your girl is happy, and it is time to give my carpet a deep cleaning. So, a little story, the reason why I prefer to buy my own carpet cleaner is because the one time I decided to rent a carpet cleaner from Home Depot, I don't know who rented it before me, but it literally stained whatever they cleaned. It left stains all over my carpet, and I said, never again, never again. So here I'm using the Hoover Elite machine, and it is so easy to use. You just fill the tank with water, add your solution, and just gently move backwards, and it is just really satisfying to watch the machine clean the carpet. It's literally my favorite part, just dragging the machine back and slowly watching the machine suck up all the dirt and residue from my rug. Y'all, look at this. So good. Satisfying. Nothing like cleaning your carpet. Now my rug is deeply cleaned, and I'm going to roll it up and hang it outside. I could have left it in my living room to dry, which within a day it would have dried. But because the weather was nice and I felt like this was faster, and as you guys are about to see shortly, I am also deep cleaning the carpet. And I particularly love this model of the Hoover carpet cleaner because it's so easy to use, and with the amount of water you can put in the tank and the solution, I was able to shampoo and clean the rug that you guys just saw and do my entire living room and go over some tough spots. And typically before I start shampooing my carpet or rug, I use the Hoover spot treatment, or even sometimes OxyClean if I run out of the brand solution. Just spray your spots, let it sit for a few minutes, and then go ahead with the shampooing. Guys, can you see how filthy? Look at the dirty water. But it's also very satisfying, which is why I love, love, love this particular model of the Hoover carpet cleaner. And I honestly feel like it deep cleans carpets and rugs just as well as if you were to go to Lowe's or Home Depot and rent one of their industrial size carpet cleaners. So now that I'm done, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to remove the dirty water tank at the bottom by pulling down the lever in the front. The handle allows you to easily pull it right off, and then the same with the clean water tank at the top, and the solution is behind the clear water tank. So now after a few hours, my carpet is freshly clean. Look at them lines, looking good. So now, even though the carpet cleaner did also vacuum, this step I'm doing is just extra, and I am vacuuming the carpet dry just to pick up any last debris, any dust. I don't have allergies, but I don't know, I just feel like it's just the finishing extra touch before we get to redecorating the space. So as you guys can see, my trim is now white, which I love. The carpet is shampooed and cleaned. My rug is dried and it's outside. So I'll see you guys in the next video where we'll be rearranging furniture. Thanks for watching. Bye.